Hi everyone, Nancy from Master's Treasure. It's supposed to be homesteading and gardening, but I don't know why the extra part is not in the name. I'm working on that. But I have been asked about my shampoo, my rinse, and the face wash that I use. So tonight I'm doing a video. I'm not going to show you how to mix it, but I will show you the ingredients and everything. My shampoo, it is a half a cup of Castile soap, and I use this because it doesn't have the hemp in it, and so that's really good, and it smells really good too. And then I use a cup and a half of spring water or distilled water, 3 teaspoons of virgin coconut oil. This is cold pressed unrefined, and you melt the coconut oil, and then you mix it with the Bonner's, the soap. This is Dr. Jacobs, not Dr. Bonner's. Sorry, the Castile soap, and then in the water, and then you add your essential oils. I use lavender and rosemary because that's supposed to be really good with your hair. And I do notice that when I use that, my hair is not dry and breaking and all the other stuff that goes on. So that's my shampoo. My hair rinse is a cup of water and 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. And you can add essential oils to that also. Now, once I'm using shampoo, when I do the rinse, I put the rinse in my hair, leave it in for a minute, and then when you go to rinse it out, you want cool water. I've tried with the warm water. The cool water just rinses it all out really, really well. So that's a little tip. Use cool water when you go to rinse out your hair. Now, the face wash I got from Patty Rose, Life Happens, her channel. She has a really good channel also. And I use, it's a half a cup of vegetable glycerine, 3 tablespoons of honey. You can use raw honey or regular honey. 2 tablespoons of the Castile soap. And you put that in the pan, you boil it all together till it's combined. You let it cool, and then you put it in a glass bottle. I don't have a glass bottle. I have a plastic, own makeup plastic bottle that I've washed, and this is what I use. The honey kind of clogs the top up, so I just unscrew it, put it in my hand, wash my face, and there we go. Now after wash my face, I use rose water as an astringent, and I'll wipe that over that. And then once that dries, I'll take my lotion, whichever lotions I made, and the one I have upstairs has lavender and frankincense in it, which is really good for anti-aging. And I put my lotion on, and I use that lotion all over on my feet and everything. My feet are nice and soft now. And that's what I use as my shampoo, my rinse, and my face routine. Um, as far as body soap, body wash, I haven't made that yet. Right now, I'm still using Ivory soap, the bar, not the liquid. I use the bar for my soap. But yeah, that's what I do. I don't do nothing else special, but I have noticed when I do use the natural shampoo, the gray goes away and turns back to black. So yeah, I've been pretty bad this past week. So many things happened and everything, so um, I just didn't get a chance to make it yet, but I'm going to make it tomorrow. Um, One of the things happened, something making noise over there, was my food saver broke. Yes, this button works, and this button doesn't. I bought this back in March. I got online Sunday, with Amazon, and it had been over the time with them to return it. And they say contact the manufacturer, and their website does not exist anymore. So I was not happy about that. I was like, you are kidding me. We were in the middle of food saving or vacuum sealing our chicken, and it just went back to regular freezer bags, which I'm okay with because that's what we've used for years. But yeah, it was not bad about not being able to return it to Amazon. What made it worse was the company's website just it doesn't exist. So I'm at $50. My kids want to sit there and go, we're gonna have to give you $50 back. I'm like, no, just no. Put it something else. I'm not gonna get another one just to get it. If anything, I'll save my money up and I'll get me a pressure canner. I've got me a water bath canner and I got my food dehydrator. I'll just save my money up and get me a pressure canner. So that was part of the week, and then the other part of the week was my sewing class, and that was a disaster. They've canceled twice and didn't have the right phone number, and the girl that did put the phone number down, she put down a number that doesn't even exist. So trying to get the money back for the class was like pulling nine teeth, if you understand that saying. But we got the money back, and I took all the supplies back too. So we got the money back for all that. So this week has been kind of one of those weeks. Everything's been, some days we're going good, some days we're not going good. But other than that, everything's doing all right. Um, the garden is growing. I'll do a video on that also. And just my daughter-in-law's birthday was yesterday, so we made a cake and celebrated her birthday. And the icing just didn't come out either. Like I said, it's just been one of those weeks all week long. So we just take a breather, relax this weekend, and just enjoy being at home. But so my head asked about what did I use for my shampoo, my rinse, and my face wash and routine. So I wanted to give a video out on that. And this is for Dawn at Sensible Living with Money Mom. So a shout out to her and anyone else. This is just free advice. This is what I use. This is what works for me. You can add to it, delete to it, whichever way you want to use it, which is fine with me. But other than that, that's what's been going on. So I want to thank you for stopping by and watching. If you haven't, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up, ring that bell for notifications, and if you have any more questions, just leave them in the comments below. And we'll see you next time on Ash's Treasure.